These houses, yeah. Oh, right here. Oh, great. My favorite place to spawn, the island. God damn it.
There's definitely gonna be someone else on the other side.
For sure.
Where do you wanna go?
I see plenty of people around here. I used to always spawn on this side. This side of the map. There's a little sliver of land right here.
I'm dipping. I'm
So
going
we're
to this
looting
house.
maps.
I'm going to this barn.
You crossing the river?
Already did.
Oh, weapon. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I hear gunshots. Come to the barn. Stay with me. You keep dying because you keep going away from me.
No, I usually stay right with you, actually.
Last time you didn't and you got capped. I need chemicals.
Bad part about this is I don't really have a good weapon. I just figure I'm gonna keep dying, so I just take trash weapons. Oh yeah, there's these. I forgot about these.
Are they in the building I'm in?
No, the lock boxes.
Yeah, are they in the building I'm in? Where are you?
Yeah, they're in the warehouses.
Yeah,
I just took one.
Alright,
Oh, here's another one.
unlock it, but don't take the loot because I didn't get one yet.
I have
Not
one
in the
up here.
building I'm in. I need chemicals. Is that you upstairs reloading your gun?
Yeah. Yeah, they updated the game so you can put +1 in the chamber. I like that. Found an extra gun too. Yeah, these warehouses are nice. Should hit these more often.
I say we dip now.
Hold on, I'm getting one more thing.
We're still not even in the same building.
Tell me you're in the same building as me right now. Oh, okay, you're right next to me, that's why.
I need another chemical. Need more chemicals. And I'll take what I got. I almost got a full inventory of mats. This game doesn't fuck me over again. You hear anybody or no? You were all good.
We're all good.
Alright, I want to dip it to the extraction area.
Yeah, I need something.
I'm in with you. Any extra boxes for me or no?
No. I just took everything. Bro, I've literally died so many times. I've literally haven't gotten anything the last few trips.
I haven't either. I died and the game fucked me over. Alright, where are we going? Leaving without me.
We're leaving. Well, come on.
I'm trying, but you were farther away.
Ooh, weapon. I'll take that.
Okay, or not.
Scrap it for materials. I'll hit these houses.
Yeah, if you see chemicals, let me know. I need chemicals bad.
Yeah, I will.
The tip I watched, close doors. Players won't know you're in the building. GTFO. See any chemicals?
No, I haven't gone into any one of these houses yet. Oh, right here. Every time, around the corner, right by my body, literally right around the corner, this guy just popped down and shotgunned me.
How many?
He's got a it's one. He's just armed with a silver squirrel. I remember him from the menu. Fucking came out of nowhere.
No, there's not one. There's two. What should I do?
Fucking fuck off and go to another extraction zone, or you know, fucking fight them. Your options are pretty clear.
One KIA.
Good. Fucking send them dumbasses back to the lobby. At this point, I'm literally just taking whatever fucking weapon I feel like.
Are you sure there was the guy that killed you wearing a hat?
He was armed with a silver squirrel. I can't remember.
Killed one. I left. Airdrop's right there too. You want to go for it? We got nothing to lose.
Not really. They're gonna change it.
All right, where do you want to go then? Want to go to safe?
No, let's go to this anyway, just because it's gonna have warehouses with lockboxes.
Okay, we're just close the door.
Get your own house.
Oh, we gotta stay together. We keep dying. Well, you keep dying. All right, stick together.
I died because some dumbass came around the corner and just put a shotgun shell in my chest.
Okay, or just steal my loot. That's fine. Want to hit the warehouses
Gotta
again?
catch them all. Yeah, they get stuff in them.
Need chemicals.
I haven't seen chemicals still.
I need chemicals. Maybe this shed will have chemicals?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yep.
Alright, let's just go there, because the warehouses are there.
No, the airdrop got changed.
Exactly, but the warehouses are still there.
Yep.
Alright, I'm in this 2-floor house. If you want to come in, that's all you.
Alright, I'm coming in.
I didn't loot the downstairs. I left the downstairs for you on purpose.
Got a knife.
I hear people running. Is that you, or is that people?
No, that's not me. Yeah? What?
Need fucking chemicals. Alright, I'm behind you, boss. I got my Tommy out.
Oh my god.
Fuck it, we got nothing to lose.
You know, just weapons and ammo. You know, no big deal.
I'd say we hit all these. Let's hit this big ass house.
It's a warehouse.
Yeah, let's go. Shotguns out. I'm going in. Fuck it.
I got my grand.
Alright, I'm going up the second floor. Shotgun out. Stay behind me.
Reaching clear. Go, 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 go.
Alright.
I'm on bottom floor on the conveyor belts.
I hear someone running.
Yeah, that's me.
I think this has already been looted. There's no loot anywhere.
Alright. We got a few things down here.
Okay. Well, upstairs has nothing.
Oh. .44 Magnum ammo. Interesting.
Need chemicals.
Bro, I promise you're not gonna find chemicals. They're not that easy to come by.
Literally only need 2.
I
God
guess
damn it.
downstairs looted.
Maybe there'll be chemicals
You're
in
freaking
here.
me out with that shit. Oh, they added a lot more painkillers to drops. I don't like that.
I'm pretty stacked right now. If you want to leave, I'm good with leaving. Oh my fucking god, Anthony.
Dude, you see my arrow.
Christ, I'm not.
You see?
I'm colorblind, bro.
You see the arrow.
It's not whatever color it is for you. It's not there for me. I gotta change it.
But there's still an arrow.
I can't see it.
Do you not see
Blend
the
it
arrow?
in.
I'm sorry.
I almost fucking capped you off with my shotgun. You would have got so mad. I said we hit these houses. I need chemicals. I got glass.
Connor, stop trying to make meth. Honestly.
Alright, I'm sorry.
No one wants your
alright?
meth. No one's gonna buy your meth. Everyone doesn't trust us. You know, because we have meth teeth falling out of our mouths.
No one's gonna buy your meth. We have meth teeth.
How do I get myself off? Is
I'm
that you?
stuck. I'm stuck.
I guarantee you're not stuck. Let's figure
Yeah,
it
I'm
out.
stuck.
Alright. Right behind you.
Alright. You find chemicals.
We just
let
go.
me
I
know.
really don't want to stick around here any longer than I have to.
Dude, I really need chemicals. I just need 2.
Bro, I guarantee you we're not gonna find them right now. Let's just take what we can get. I'm out. Peace.
I'm out.
Fuck, I need a win for once.
I need a win.
There needs to be more. There needs to be more cover out here. This is bullshit. This is BS. We can get gunned down. People can easily take our stuff. That's ridiculous.